You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. That is the origin, the root word that became vampire. And it becomes from South Slavic, Romanian, Bulgarian, Serbo-Croatian, Slavic languages. It's usually they're pronounced as Dhampir or Dhampir, Dhampir, somewhat like a D, but pronounced with a bit more like a TH in English. Dhampir, with your tongue between your teeth. Dhampir, Dhampir is the Slavic pronunciation. In English it's often pronounced just with a D sound. Dhampir, Dhampir. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.